The Lekufee Waterproof Hard Case, compatible with various DJI FPV gear, offers customized foam inserts for secure storage of your drone and its accessories. This hard case can accommodate an extensive array of items including the DJI FPV Drone, 5 DJI FPV Batteries, DJI RC Motion 2 or DJI Motion Controller, DJI Goggles, and more. Constructed of abrasion and impact-resistant polypropylene plastic, the case features a premium soft foam interior to provide additional protection. The case is certified IP67 for water and dust resistance, making it ideal for travel and outdoor use in various environments such as deserts, beaches, rainforests, and snow mountains. Weighing 7.4 pounds and measuring 16.9 by 14.1 by 8.0 inches, it is a compact and portable solution for your DJI FPV gear. In addition to its robust design and ample storage capacity, the Lekufee Waterproof Hard Case comes with a 12-month worry-free warranty for a risk-free purchase.